upgrade to the actual Kindle, then you get all the features. Okay, now let's use Internet Explorer, because apparently there were glitches with Chrome. Amazon.com. And on Amazon, to get a Kindle app, you go to Kindle Books, Kindle e-readers, and then you see free Kindle reading apps. You click on it, and that's where you get those apps similar to this one that I've just shown you, similar to this one. See, these are all the kinds they have. They have for Kindle Cloud Reader, using your browser, for smartphones, including iPhone, iPod, Android, Windows Phone, BlackBerry, Mac, Windows 8, Windows 7 XP, Vista, tablet computers like iPad, Android, Windows 8, and so on. Well, basically what you do after that, you click on it and follow the steps, click on the download button and download. But of course, if you do it for iPhone, it needs to be done on the iPhone, not on the PC. But for PC, you would go to Windows 7 in this case and do the same thing. Download for Windows 7, Vista, and XP. And this is Windows 7.
You want us to download?
Yes and no. What I wanted to do, since you already asked it, so I'll go a few steps ahead. It's an extra credit project. Extra credit meaning you don't have to do it if you don't want to do it. But if you decide to do it, it's a fun assignment on one hand, and on the other hand, it'll boost your final grade, of course. What I wanted to do, I wanted to go to these apps and download at least one Kindle app. One free Kindle reading app. And then I want you to find 2 free Kindle books. 2 free Kindle books. I emphasize free. I don't want you to buy anything. There are plenty of free Kindle books there, which are eBooks, and today we're talking about eBooks, electronic books. Once you get that free eBook, 2 of them, I want you to get 2 free eBooks. Read them. By reading in this case, I mean browse them, read the table of contents, get some idea. And then go to our Facebook page for this class. Yes, I'll show it to you. And write a small paragraph, just a small paragraph. It's not an exercise in creative writing, just a very small paragraph telling the world about your experience. If you're on tight Facebook, use the discussion board in the Blackboard. Use Unit 1 for this purpose, okay? In the discussion board, in the Unit 1, you can put the same comment, but it's better if you do it in the on the Facebook. And to get to the Facebook page, you can go to the Blackboard via CUNY portal, cuny.edu. Then you sign in to the Blackboard. Then our class is spring 2014, ONLP1. Then guys, web links. You see, once you sign in into the Blackboard, click on the class, you go to web links, and they have various links here, including LIV100 Facebook page. You click on it.
How do you request it? We don't have to request it as a friend, just right on the board?
Yeah, it's
open?
yeah, it's open for everybody. And you see some people put their comments here. And these are some pictures. I put them there at some point just for it to be kind of more interesting. Last spring I went to Harvard for the Professional Development Institute. And you see, this is me, this is Mr. Harvard. And yeah, it's a monument to Mr. Harvard, of course. It was like a long time ago. Okay, but the idea is that you could put those comments here. It's like an online community of a kind. So, and the message should be dedicated to your experience using Kindle-free apps and Kindle-free books. Or if you're choose not to use Facebook, then in the discussions you can put it in Unit 1. As an additional message.
So where do we have to download these apps at, like on our phone or something?
It's either phone or tablet computer or a PC, whichever you prefer.
Okay.
And again, if you go to Kindle e-readers, free Kindle reading apps, as I already showed, here are all the smartphones. Click on it, follow the steps. Here are all the computers. Click on it, follow the steps. Here are all the tablets. Click on it and follow the steps. Okay. And in those days, when I bought this second generation Kindle, there was only one model, but nowadays they have plenty. And they actually delved in two different directions. Kindle Fire and Kindle Paperwhite. Kindle Fire tablets. And Kindle Fire HD is the basic one. This is it. You see, the basic version of the basic model is $139. And guys, it is a full-blown tablet computer. Compare it price-wise with Apple. How much would be the Apple? What do you think? Apple equivalent. What? 600, yes. And this one is like, the cheapest version is 139. When you upgrade it to 16 gigs without special offers, it becomes 154. Why do you think such a tremendous difference in pricing?
Because the size, right?
No, not the size. They're about the same size.
They each have a certain amount of books that you can download.
No.
Because of the gigabyte?
Not the gigabytes either. I mean, all these things, they matter, but not that much that to reduce price like
Competition.
4 times. Amazon is a very much established brand. I mean, of course it is competition, but it's a very strong brand too. Guys, it's a marketing strategy. They're selling it at cost. What does cost mean? That means they pretty much spend $150 on it. They're not profiting from it. Why are they doing that?
They can sell more. I would think we would be able to sell more,
Yeah, but you need to make profit, kind of.
or maybe it's because they're trying to get everyone to use.
They're trying to get everyone to use Amazon. That's why it's sort of a sweet trap in a sense. It's extremely cheap, but it's designed that way that you'll be buying all the books, journals, magazines, movies
From them.
from Amazon. That's why they're doing that. That's a marketing strategy again, right? It is a good device. Keep in mind that it's in color and it's LCD. It's not unlike my Kindle device that I showed to you, the second generation, which is e-ink. This one is the same flickering pixels that will fatigue your eyes, and it's LCD because they show it in color and they show movies there. They wouldn't be able to use the e-ink on this device. Then we go back. We could see there is another kind of Kindle, which is Kindle e-readers. Kindle e-readers is the same one that I've just shown to you. The idea is the same. If you click on Kindle, you get some older models and the newer models. The basic manifestation of the newer models is Kindle Paperwhite.